At the end of this media, you will be able to know about the required conditions to be satisfied for the synchronization. There are 4 important conditions for synchronization. They are phase sequence matching, voltage matching, frequency matching, and phase angle matching of both incoming and running alternators. Let us see the first condition, that is, the phase sequence of incoming alternator should be matched with the phase sequence of running alternator. For example, if the phase sequence of incoming alternator is RYB, then the phase sequence of running alternator must be RYB. At this condition, both the identical alternators are rotating in same direction with same phase sequence. If the phase sequences of incoming alternator and running alternator are not the same, then they are rotating in opposite directions. The second condition is that the voltage of incoming alternator should be matched with the voltage of running alternator for a proper synchronization. A 5% of voltage difference is allowed between the alternators. If there is a difference in voltage levels of more than 5%, then there will be flow of large amount of circulating currents in the internal circuit connecting the two alternators. If the synchronization is done with lots of difference in voltage, it may cause damage to both the alternators. The third condition is frequency of incoming alternator should be matched with the frequency of running alternator. The frequency of the incoming alternator and the running alternator will be equal when the alternators are rotating at the same speed. A difference in frequency indicates that the amount of stored energy in the rotor of the incoming alternator is either greater or less than the running alternator. Therefore, if paralleling is carried out when a frequency difference exists, a load surge will take place. The fourth condition is that the phase angle of incoming alternator should be matched with phase angle of running alternator. The phase angle between the two alternators should be within 6 degrees. This condition can be obtained only when the frequencies of the two supplies are the same and the phase sequences are also the same. A difference in phase angle between the running and incoming alternators at the moment of paralleling will produce synchronizing currents. You have learnt the required conditions to be satisfied for the synchronization.